Have you ever wondered how to talk about your daily life in English like a native speaker?
By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently talk about your day from waking up to going to bed using real English phrases. Let's go.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Tube. I'm Anna. How's your day going?
Hey guys, I'm Jock. I'm great, thanks. Today we're going to talk about our daily routines and common English phrases you can use every day. Ready to speak like a native?
Yes. Let's start with the morning.
So, Anna, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but sometimes I hit the snooze button a few times. I'm not a morning person. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
After that, I make breakfast, usually cereal and coffee.
Nice. I make eggs and toast. Then I check my phone before leaving home.
How do you go to work, Jack?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes. On the bus, I listen to podcasts. It's a good way to learn new vocabulary.
That's smart. I ride my bike. Fresh air keeps me energized. Once you get to work, what's first on your schedule?
I check my emails, then I attend a planning meeting. After lunch, I work on my projects and sometimes have a team call.
Sounds busy. I also check my planner. It helps me stay organized.
Do you always eat lunch with coworkers?
Most days, yes. We go to a small cafe near the office. I usually have a salad or a sandwich.
I bring my lunch from home, a wrap and fruit. It saves money and time.
What do you do after work?
I like going to the gym. Exercise helps me relax. What about you?
I take a walk or sometimes watch a TV show. If it's nice outside, I go to the park.
Do you go to bed early or late?
Around 10:30 p.m., I read a book or listen to music before sleeping. It helps me relax.
Cool. I sleep around 11 p.m.
That was fun. Now you know how to talk about your routine, from waking up.
To going to bed using natural English.
Write in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English lessons.
Bye for now.